hate when do that shit, man. Fucking sensitive ass sensors be stopping my damn recording. Spitting them bitches. Spitting them bitches. I was just trying to get up here, y'all. Y'all was trying to fuck with me. Y'all weren't trying to fuck with me. Y'all was trying to fuck with me. If you're catching my drift. I had to act up a little bit. Y'all weren't trying to fuck with me. Which y'all think more expensive, the car or the wrist? Y'all let me know. Which one y'all think is worth more, the car or the wrist? Don't play yourself now. The hell he doing, picking up cigarettes? Did he just pick up a bunch of cigarettes? Look like a booty scratcher. Get his goofy ass on. What's wrong with dude that? Police? It might be the police. I ain't gonna get in front of the police. Well, I ain't no police. I gotta get off right here anyway. Yeah, boy, I really be having more fun with this car on the street because I get to hit them pops. I love this. This is my favorite car. If y'all did not know, the Green Goblin motherfucker, this is the one on for the grave. This is the one. I don't even think I would trade this in for a Lamb truck. Like, I probably would just to say I did it, but I would want this bitch back, like, you know? Lord Jesus Christ. Lord Jesus Christ. Lord Jesus. Yeah, in the suburbs right now. So I can act up way more in the suburbs by the crib. God damn, that shit is crazy. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. God damn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get out my way, nigga. Get the fuck out my way, stupid. And the police right there. I ain't do nothing, Miss Mama. I ain't do nothing, Miss Mama. I heard going to jail in Broward better than going to jail in Miami. I got locked up in Miami before. That shit was not pretty. It took their motherfucking time to get me out of there, boy. They didn't give a fuck. Can't tell there's a police up there, so I'm gonna drive regular. I ain't gonna know. That's a lot of police right there. Oh no. It wasn't me, Mr. Officer. I promise. Y'all don't want to race. Y'all in that weak ass motherfucking Escalades and shit. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me turn up. Ball out. All I want to do is ball out. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me turn up. Ball out. Look, I'm driving calm as hell now. Look, oh, two of them turned off the road. We gonna drive smooth right now.
Caution, traffic event ahead.
Shut up, bitch. No damn traffic event ahead. You get your ass beat. Miss Mercedes. Fuck is you talking about, guys? Really be. So where the hell we going? I ain't been over here but a few fucking times. Let's see. Turn on 3rd Street. How the hell this 1st Street and that's 3rd Street? These niggas can't count. These niggas can't count.